Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny Foodybite apps. Inside today we need to developing this here the rating app UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see these designs inside the XD files. Look like this UI we need to develop today. First of all, we need to create here the app bars, then after the rating bars, and then after the writing text area we need to creating here and look like this UI need to today develop here. First of all, we need to create here the new screens inside the home, and we need to create here the new files and to give this here the name rate review rating review underscore ratings screen dot dots. Like this, we need to write down here. First of all, we need to copy this here the filter screen UI. Need to copy for the screens. Now need to go against and to paste this here and now rename this screen name. Need to change here review rating screens like we need to set here. Now we need to set here the titles review and rating like here's we need to set here for this value. Now we need to remove this here for unused controllers. We need to removing here for the clean here's also no need this sliders. We need to clean here. Now here the ratings need to needs here the rating bars. We need to put here like here, and then after the rate builders after you need to set here the titles and to give this here the rate your experience like here we need to set here the secondary text and like value we need to put here and save this here. Then after we need to create here the containers decorations box decorations, set here the color we need to like here's with opacity 0.5 like this sets or this color const value. Give this here the border radius circulars we need to set here the 15 like, and most important spots we need to create here the padding const edges inset symmetric verticals we need to give this here the 8 and horizontals we need to set here the 15. Like we need to configure first of all we need to open for the this button click event to open these screens we need to go inside here the restaurant detail screens and we need to find out here the bottom bars buttons we need to configure here on tab event context dot post extension methods we need to call here and to give this here the review rating screen semicolons and set here the const value. Now need to save here set here and look like this here the showing for this UI. Now here most important parts of the covering toward the screens we need to give this here the fix width dot we need to set here the double max speed like we need to set these containers for this width we need to configure here and most important parts we need to set here the margin const edges inset symmetric verticals we need to give this here the 15 and horizontals we need to set here the 20 for this UI need to set like this here and also need to increase this here the verticals set here 15s and we need to set here the red star size. We need to change here, set here item size is equal to, need to write down here the context dot width multiply by 0.10. Need to set here 20, 15, 12, and we need to 12.13. Now display show good, and we need to give this here the alignment dot center like here, similar to design. So we need to creating here, and we need to increase this here, this dark colors, and show like this here, similar to designs, and to user can change this here the rate like here. Now this is the ratings are the set here. Now first of all, so needs here the buttons. Need to cut this button, and we need to remove here the row, replace this here, and to give this here the done buttons. Now need to save here and to set here the done buttons. Like we need to setting here and this value. Now another need to develop this here the containers. First of all, for the text field area we need to draw here, create here the container box decorations, box decorations, set here the colors. We need to no need to set here colors, we need to set here the borders, border all. Need to give this here the color, the color, placeholder colors with opacity. We need to set here the 0.2, and give this here the width as a set here the 1. Then after we need to set here the border radius, circulars. We need to set this here the 15s, and look like this here the show. Now we need to set here the margins, as is insert symmetric. Need to give this here the horizontal 20, look like this sets, and to decrease this here the colors like here, and also need to set here the padding const edges insert symmetric, not symmetric, all we need to set this here the 8, and show like this here for this text fields. Inside we need to set here the text area, need to create here the text field like that, like this. We need to write down here, we need to create here the decorations, input decorations. Need to set this here the enable borders, input borders. So we need to set this here none, same as focus border. Need to give this here the same input border null, and disable borders, give this here same. Set here the hint text, and we need to write down here the write your experience like this. Set here the titles. Now set here the hint style, text style. Set here the color, key color, placeholder colors. Set here the font 15, and like this. Set here, save here, and show like this here. Now we need to give this here the minimum height and minimum lines. We need to set this here the 10, and maximum line we need to set this here the 15. Like configurations we need to set here, and similar to designs we need to increase this here the 15. shading and creating like this here the text field area. We need to drawing here and also need to give this here vertical 15 and similar to designs we need to creating like this here the review and rating UI need to done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.